Hi, it's Tommy Jo from Bird Street Studios, and I'm pretty excited. I just finished this journal, and I was excited to get on and do a flip through for it. There are a couple of things that are not totally done, and also in all of my journals, when I put them in the Etsy shop, I add a print, a small print, either a note card or a print of my original artwork, and that's not in here yet. There are some tags that still need some toppers, um, but when I do my final flip through, um, I will add those. There has to be something that's still a surprise when it goes into the Etsy shop. So anyways, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it here and let you see. So this is just a sari silk, kind of a cream colored. And this journal is definitely one of my favorites. It's got scrap material on here that you'll recognize. I put that on a couple of my Alice in Wonderland journals. But in addition to that, it's got some homemade paper. I think you can see it here along the spine as well, and on the back. The printout that I used for the covers are from Vectoria Designs, and I will link them below in the description. But the main part of this journal is a kit by Luise, and I've loved it, and in a couple of my other videos I told you how much I loved it, and I've had my eye on it, and I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with it, and this journal is the product of that. So I'm just going to kind of go through, show you each different thing that's here, and understand that there still are a few finishing touches like toppers. I've got some material that I'm coffee dyeing that I'm going to use for tag toppers and that, but it's not dried yet. I expect this journal to go in my Etsy shop in the next day or so. So you might want to look for it. Maybe go to my Etsy shop and favorite it, and you'll get a notification when it does, when I do list. Anyways, here we go. So when you open it up, the front has a pocket right here with paper, just blank paper. And I've sewn on a piece of material and lace right here to decorate. And this is part of Luise's digital kit right here. This as well. And this is one of my collaged papers. I mean, I just love this kit. Absolutely love it. These are, this is cards from her kit, and I just stenciled on the inside. And instead of cutting them apart, I just folded them and then added decoration. This is also part of Vectoria Designs, this kit. And then I always usually try to add just something a little to break up the pages. When my grandson was here, he actually smoked a cigar, and this is the cigar band that I saved. And here's a journaling card that we collaged. And this is a stenciled, this is scrapbooking paper that I stenciled over. And here's the same stencil. This is a little snippet where I just zigzagged some pieces of paper onto a base. I did a video of this page. It's actually a window envelope that we're using as an insert. And I didn't totally decorate every page. This journal got so thick that it's pretty full. So I figured I would kind of leave it up to whoever got it to add whatever they wanted in here, move things around, whatever, but I definitely didn't want to totally cover up all of these beautiful pages. This is another flip out, and it's got a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket in the back with journaling tags. And then here's a belly band with just another sheet of journaling paper. This is sewn onto or glued onto just paper packing that I saved this, and I love it for journaling. And here's a coffee dyed index card. Let's start here. This is a flip out for journaling, and it's also a pocket, so I've got a tag and a journaling card that I collaged. And then this is an altered paper clip that I put a coffee dyed index card in there. If I can get it back on there with the index card on it. Yep. Lots of journaling space here. And this is just a full envelope for journaling. You can journal all over any of this paper. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is the center spread of the first signature. Love it. These are all parts of Luise's kit. And there's a little pad of paper that I put together with a journaling card. Tag, actually. And it's sewn in. And I just put some decoration on here to break up the page a little bit. Journaling page. This is stamped on book paper. And here's a pocket that comes in the kit with, this is a page from Vectoria Designs. And this is out of Luise's kit, but another little journaling spot. And here's a couple of flags that are just holding in some journaling paper, and also you can journal here, and I stenciled on here as well. Love, love, love. And this is an envelope that we put in here. A lot of journaling space here. And a pocket, and again, this is the rest of that stenciled piece. There's a journaling card that I stenciled on the back, and a tag. And then this is a little flag that I made here with faux stitching on it, and it's holding a tag and a journaling card. And let's see. And then this is just blank journaling space that I stamped with a brown stamp, some music. See if you can see. That's just, I don't know, it was an acrylic stamp. It was a music stamp. I thought it was pretty cool. But broke up that bright white. And this is another part of our collage paper. Oh my gosh. This kit is just phenomenal. Okay. I tried not to cover up these pages too much. And this here is another card that I stenciled and collaged on. And there's a side pocket, a long vertical pocket with a journaling card. And here's another snippet. My signatures usually have a lot of the same ephemera, maybe collaged a little different color designs, whatever, but they pretty much are the same. And there's another window envelope that we did in a different video. And again, here's another pocket. There was one of these in the first signature as well. There's some journaling space. And a belly band with journaling paper. Unfolds right here. And here I just stenciled on some designs just to break up the page, but still a great journaling space. Same thing here. This was a piece of scrap paper, so I kind of tried to make it match. And great journaling spot here, and a little pocket. Oh my gosh, I just love this. Look at this page, and then I've got a tag for journaling and another little paper packet. I thought that was really cute. Look at all this journaling space. And again, here's another altered paper clip with an index card. This is a flip. We've got a card and a tag. And this is the other side of that paper clip. Really cute little bumblebee. And in this one, this is a faux envelope for journaling. And you can journal all around this as well. And there's a pocket with just coffee dyed paper. I rounded the corners, just make it kind of neat. And there's our flags and another journaling space. And this page, I zigzagged around a couple pages in each signature just to add some design. And here's an envelope again. You can kind of see the end of it, but left a lot of space for journaling in here. And again, a card and a tag. This paper clip's kind of cute. These paper clips that I did, this actually has, I don't know if you can see that there's a dimension to that tile that's on there. I don't know how I have to hold it, but it is raised off. It's pretty cool. But they had the same colors as what was in the journal, so I thought that was pretty neat. There's another collage page. This I just decorated with like a Baroque statue. Love this kit. And then this is again a card. And this is a journaling card. And snippet with papers, and here's the envelope in this signature that we created with some journaling space. And excuse me, there's a tag. There's a tag. These are all journaling spots. And the other thing too is, like, if you can journal personal things on here, but even this page can be journaled on. And then here's another belly band, a vertical belly band. I thought was pretty cool, and just an envelope for you to put whatever secrets or little mementos or whatever that you'd like in there. Again, here's another paper pad. Each one of the paper pads is, you know, similar, but it has a little different design on it. The tags are different. There's a lot of journaling space here. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is just so stunning. This kit, I just love it. And then here's a flip right here. And there's a tag for journaling. There's an altered paper clip. We might even stick, how about if we just stick a blank card in there? That's pretty cool, huh? And then maybe I'll put, when I pick out what artwork I'm going to put in here, I'm not sure which one I will use. I usually have some printed. And they don't always match what the journal is. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But, you know, like there's one of my, this is a note card. It's artwork that I did. I might tuck that in there. Whatever. Here's another faux envelope. And then there's a pocket, and this is just a design, Baroque design. I think I might have got that from the Met. And there's our flags, and another journaling space. Now you probably see why I fell in love with this kit. I just love it. And then here's a small pocket with a couple of journaling spots. Like I said, I'll go through and some of these I'll put little toppers on or whatever, the tags, and add my artwork. And here again is a paper clip with one of those little tiles. It's a different color. It's not terracotta. It's kind of a bronzy colored that I thought was kind of cool. And then here's a index card that I rounded the corners and put a little design on the back. This is just a little corner pocket that came in the kit. And then this is the end. And then I put a little pocket back here as well with just a piece of journaling paper in there, but there's plenty of room to, you know, put whatever else in there. And there's lace and material in here that I sewed on just to add for decorations. Then the back of it also has the homemade paper and that, and I just love this journal. Just love it. And you can attach this however you like. I just flip it through there and hook it. And there you go. I hope you love it as much as I loved making it. This one did take me quite a while because I was enjoying it so much. And it really is, honestly, it's so full. It's just bursting, really. But I hope you love it. And like I said, it'll go in my Etsy shop in the next day or so. As always, thank you for watching. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Trying to build up my following, and hopefully I'll come on more often. I'm still getting my craft room in order from the big build we had. Trying to craft and organize is a little difficult, but I'm getting there, slow but sure. So again, have a great day. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye.